What if with 1.35 mil, you can get a proper 3-bed, 2-bathroom? No gimmicks, just pure value property up for grabs here with the Singapore Real Estate Insider. Yes, you can have first-hand information because you follow us. If you have yet to like, subscribe to our channel, smash the bell button so that you can be updated with good deals like this and be the first to know about it. Let's go! Hi, Cindior Ho here, your Singapore Real Estate Insider. Come nearer, I have a surprise for you. Come nearer, nearer. Shh, this is a secret. Before I reveal this great deal to you, let's find out what the 3-bedroom unit is going for currently, because it's always important to do comparisons when it comes to research with data and numbers using the REI method. Outskirts of Singapore, the OCR. Lentor Modern, 3-bed, 1.95 mil for 990 square feet unit at 1,974 per square feet. Sky Eden, 3-bed, 1.74 mil, 893 square feet at 1,958 per square feet. Pasir Ris 8, a 3-bed, 1.91 mil for 1,066 square feet unit at 1,797 per square feet. Florence Residences, a 3-bed, 1.59 mil for 915 square feet unit at 1,738 per square feet. The mass market OCR properties are already way above 1,007 per square feet. Can you believe it? Are you someone who treasures a value buy with huge potential upsides? How does 1,580 per square feet for a 3-bedroom unit sound to you? Yes, you hear me right, 1,580 per square feet. Actually, it's less than 1,580 per square feet for a 3-bedroom unit. Sure or not, something's wrong? Too good to be true? You want to watch on as we use the REI method to find this super duper rare great deal. This project was launched in 2018 and fully sold 100% by 2021. It took only 3 years for such a big project to be completely sold out. This tells you how attractive it was when launched. It was a massive, tremendous success then. Currently, we have a couple of good units that you can consider going for, and I will also share with you why they are great for you in terms of numbers and data. Do watch till the end. Have you considered using data, research and numbers to guide you on your next purchase? Will it help you better? Share with me how it can help you in the comments below. I love to see how I can help you better. 4 key points why you should consider buying this. 1. Home buyers who value extensive facilities and even retail shops in the development. 2. Those who are glad that there are more convenient shops and other services within a short walking distance away. 3. For families with children enrolling into school soon, as there are 2 reputable institutions they can pick from, all which are in close proximity. 4. Residences who love to bask in the serenity of nature, away from the hustle-bustle of the fast-paced work life. This is Riverfront Residences. Riverfront Residences is a 99-year leasehold new private development located in Hougang Avenue 7. It is the former Real Casa HUDC that underwent a successful en bloc and is now redeveloped into Riverfront Residences. The estate for Riverfront Residences project details is known for its amazing modern technology features with a homely aura, and this is due to the active partnership between the following developers: Oxley Holdings, Liembang Group, and Apricot Capital. Let's go straight into the prices and layout of this 3-bedroom unit now. I want to take you through the 3-bedroom first. If you are considering the 1+ study configuration, we have done another video showcasing that. Check out the video somewhere around the corners. We are going to showcase a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout and size. Let's look at the site plan first of all. You can notice that the 3-bedroom we have is unblocked facing the futsal court. This is considered as one of the more premium blocks as you are not having any major buildings in front of you and be greeted with the trees in front of you. Total privacy no matter which floor you are in. Let's take a look at the floor plan of this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. It is an 872 square feet unit. This is a favorite among the homeowners as well as the investors. Let's take a quick tour before I share with you the pointers as you as a homeowner must take note of when buying the future property. One thing you must appreciate is how the developer has done this layout because of this super efficient layout. you are getting an enclosed kitchen with a designated dining area without sacrificing the living room area. The kitchen is already decked fully with what you need, and the fully furnished kitchen with various appliances. Let's head into the bedroom because you can fit a queen-size bed in each of the bedroom and a king-size bed in the master bedroom. All faces the unblocked futsal court. Imagine waking up every day with the cool breeze on your face and the trees to look at. If you are unfamiliar with where the project is, continue to watch on so you can get familiar with the location and surroundings. Or else you can skip this portion and go to the other chapters instead. If you want to go straight into the price comparison, follow the description chapters. Meanwhile, don't forget to give a thumbs up and like this video too. Riverfront Residences location is fantastic as there will never be a problem when it comes to fulfilling your daily necessities, from food to groceries. If you head down to the HDB cluster of Block 332 to 356, that's where you will find all the retail shops, eateries, convenience shops, all within walking distance. Furthermore, Riverfront Residences is within 5 minutes drive from 2 malls. The Midtown Mall with 107 commercial shops consisting of F&B and retail options being offered. The Midtown Mall is also an education haven with many enrichment and education centres. Hougang Mall is even bigger with more retail, F&B, NTUC supermarket, National Library, Harley Norman Electronics. Surrounding Hougang Mall, there are many more shops, food courts, and bus interchange. Hey, how many MRT lines does your property have? 2 MRT lines. Riverfront is within short distance to the Hougang MRT station and the Northeast MRT line. And with the upcoming new Cross Island line, Hougang area will have their new interchange, which is an added bonus by staying nearby the stations. If that's not enough, Serangoon MRT station is just 2 stops away, which connects you to the Circle MRT line. And the Little India MRT station is just 7 stops away, which connects you to the Downtown MRT line. And are you a person who loves amenities and loves to skip yourself into the malls of food and retail? Well, you are spoiled for choices because the new Sengkang Grand Integrated Development. It comes with retail, community centre, hawker centre, childcare, bus interchange ready by 2024. The best part, you are just 1 MRT station away from the amenities and shopping you can get. Not enough still? And if this is not enough, take 1 MRT stop to Kovan Mall or 2 stops to the Serangoon MRT where next shopping centre mall is. Everything is within 15 minutes away. Convenient, right? This is what we call living in the heartlands where everything is so near you. Are you currently staying near amenities and easily accessible? Share your experience in the comments below. Does it make your daily life more convenient? Riverfront Residences will always be in demand because it is 1 kilometre to 3 primary schools, consisting of 2 very popular choices, the Holy Innocents Primary School and CHIJ. Watch till the end because I will be sharing with you specific data and numbers why the Riverfront Residences is such a wonderful project to buy into, purely from our research perspective, using the REI method and how you can benefit as a homeowner or investor as well. Riverfront Residences consists of 1,472 units, which means you have lots of spacious landscape around the condo grounds to enjoy. Reason because it is sitting on a massive land size of 390,000 square feet. It may sound massive, but because of how many buildings are laid out in this development, they are widely spread out for privacy and openness. It is designed to be spacious and lavish for you and your family, to spend quality time even within the development, with so many different spots you can go to. Riverfront Residences overlook the Serangoon River, which provides residents an amazing view of the waterfront. Walking along the park connector for your exercises in the morning, or simply taking a stroll after your dinner is a different, slower lifestyle you get to enjoy at the Heartlands. Riverfront Residences boasts 101 facilities catered to families and members of all ages to relax and have fun together. There is a 75 meters river pool, 50 meters lap pool for the adults who wish to go swimming at their fitness zone, as well as a 20 meter shallow play pool for the children at the Kids Adventure Zone. Some facilities worth mentioning: 400 meter jogging track in the development. rock climbing for the kids, multiple different pavilion themes for you, the house guests, in the Botanic Cove Zone, karaoke and movie room, tennis court and multi-purpose court at the fitness zone. With the hotel home concept, you will be greeted by concierge always ready to attend to your day-in, day-out needs, including your household chores, collecting of parcels, arrangement of dry cleaners, and booking of cabs. To cater to your daily necessities, 6 retail stores await to serve you in the development as well. Share with me below, what are your favorite facilities usually in a condo like this? Let's take a look at numbers and data now. I've taken comparative projects around Riverfront to compare. Affinity at Serangoon, launched in 2018, has only increased 3.37% last 4 years since 2018. Florence Residences, launched in 2019 with per square feet higher than Riverfront Residences, has increased 18.02% since 2019. For the later TOP projects like Sengkang Grand Residences and Integrated Development, launched in 2019, has increased 6.68%. Again, we are comparing the 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom unit types. And if you are considering the 1+ study configuration, we have done another video highlighting that. Check out the video somewhere around the corners. If you have not liked this video or subscribed to the channel, do so now. Let's look at Riverfront Residences, launched in 2018. You can see that it has increased 16.29% since 2018, even though it's not the closest distance to the MRT and does not have any integrated facilities. With the Riverfront Residences entry point lower than the surrounding comparative properties, the gap in comparison to the other nearby projects in terms of the average PSF shows that there are growth opportunities in the future as well. This is key when buying a property because you want to ensure that you are not the most expensive in the area. Keeping your lower entry price allows more protection of your value as well. Let me show you the latest data and numbers in comparison to the Riverfront Residences for a similar 3-bedroom unit. And how much are the Sengkang Grand Residences, Affinity, and Florence Residences transacted at? For Sengkang Grand Residences, a similar layout unit has sold for nearly 1.7 mil at 1,800 per square feet in April and May 2022. For Florence Residences, a 915 square feet unit is already transacted at 1.59 mil at 1,738 per square feet in October 2022. Even the 3-bedroom Affinity at Serangoon has transacted at 1.538 mil at 1,721 per square feet. Now looking at the price comparison, will the price between 1.35 to 1.38 be attractive to you? This will make Riverfront Residences one of the most affordable new properties in the area below 1,580 per square feet. This is real! Who agrees that this is a steal? Comment steal in the comments below. For the investors out there and you like to own this property to capture the high rental environment currently, let's take a look at what kind of rent you will be getting when the riverfront is ready for occupancy. Let's use King Saltwater Bay as an estimated since it's the newest in the area that has rental transactions. Wow! The rental is already 3,009 to 4,003 for under 900 square feet. All these are the latest transactions to date. Can you imagine with the units at Riverfront Residences, newer with so much more facilities? Will tenants flock to this project and rent from you instead? We are confident that you will have no lack of tenants here. And renting them at this price, worth considering? So why is this property such a star buy? 1. It's rare and limited as there are not many new developments facing the river with access to the river. And with limited supply, it only means prices will increase. 2. Next is you save time as you can collect keys within 1 to 1.5 years for the property by 2024. This allows you to move in quickly or even rent it out immediately with profits. 3. A very safe entry price because you are not considered the highest in the location, which means there are opportunities for the price to still climb up. 4. With surrounding high quantum HDBs selling at 700 to 900,000 at block 476 to 477 Upper Serangoon View and DBS at 475 Upper Serangoon View, they will potentially be your next buyers who are looking to upgrade or buying for investment. 5. Last but not least, we usually see prices climb up very quickly when they TOP, which means that if you have a chance to grab it now before the climb, you still have a window of opportunity here. So if you're looking for a unit that is nearly ready by 2024 soon, this has to be your choice. Want to find out more about the units we have on hand? Drop us a message and we'll get in touch with you, so you can catch this star buy too. Don't forget to check out the other video around the corner. If you are considering the 1+ study type, we have a video just for that. Which project would you like us to do a deep dive? Share the project in the comments and we will do up the video for you. Again, this is Cindior Ho, your Singapore Real Estate Insider.